So let me show you what it takes to put together the kiddie pool capillary system. Here we go. The first thing you're going to need is a kiddie pool. Here at Walmart, they have 3 different sizes. It looks like a 3-foot, a 5-foot, and the 4-foot. This 4-footer here is my favorite. That's what I use on my deck. Then you're going to need enough potting soil to be able to fill up your kiddie pool, and peat moss or cocoa coir to make it more absorbent. There's some good prices here, from $5 to about $8 a bag. Then after that, you need a bucket. Over here we have 5-gallon buckets. And don't forget to get your lid to cover it up and keep the bugs out. And the next step is to get a drill about 1 inch to 1.25 inches, or even a step drill if you like, to drill your holes, about 5 at the tops of the buckets. Then you're going to need a bath towel. 100% cotton, about so long that you can cut in strips about probably 6 inches. So you'll probably need 2 of these. Then you would take your bucket and you would drill about 5 or 6 holes around the top that the towels are going to fit through. And then you'd put the bucket in the bottom of the pool, right in the middle, and you'll fill the pool with soil around the bucket, so the bucket's sitting on the ground. And then once it's filled with soil, you would put the strips of towel going through the hole down to the bottom, as you can see here. So they sit at the bottom, coming right down, and then each one of them would go under the soil in different directions. Each one of them goes around underneath the soil. So now when the water gets wicked up, it goes out the hole and it goes down into the soil, and the soil will collect just the amount of water it needs to keep these plants healthy. And fill it up with water, go ahead and cover it, and then put whatever plants you'd like to have in there. I have carrots and radishes and parsnips and bok choy and head lettuce in the back. I've got some, oh, you can already see my garlic sprouting over there, another one over there, another one over here around, and a bunch of scallions. But you can grow virtually anything. So there you have it, all the parts and pretty much the cost of what it takes to put one of these together. Go ahead and do it. You will absolutely love it.